Hello, my name is Felix Infante Bulloso, International Business Student. Improvement Plan. Has avocado producer must register their farm with the ICA to export to United States. The Colombia has avocado has a world of shelves waiting. The world is demanding more. Has avocado and Colombia is the fifth largest producer of this variety. However, there are still some obstacles that will separate the country from the export goal, and if they are not overcome soon they could put it out of business. Avocado consumption in the USA has registered a percent growth in the last 5 years, 11% and 20 fighting along. This increase is largely due to the investment that the Hass Avocado Board has made in marketing and advertising. This is an organization made up of countries that export avocado to the North American market. Uh, the idea of improvement is the penetration of the American market with a series of strategies based on the characteristics of the fruit as a food product taking advantage of the trend of healthy eating, which has been installed in that country. Alliances were also made with restaurant and supermarket chains to offer avocado in preparation other than guacamole. In this way, less informed consumer learning about the option they had when purchasing unprocessed fruits. In the same way, we also want to present to consumers the multiple uses, benefits, and derivatives of avocado in the gastronomic area products for skincare, hair, oils, and many others which make avocado essential fruits in each North American home. The great obstacle that Colombia has found to export has avocado to the USA is the phytosanitary and custom requirements imposed by that country, with which local producers are familiar until now. But it is not the only one. According to some exporters, the price of fruits in European countries is much more favorable for the Colombian product than that of the North American country. This is how Raúl Andrés Lenis, manager of La Perla, explained it's a company that brings together has grown in Urrao, Antioquia. In Europe and Asia, avocado is a very popular exotic fruit, and we have found better marketing possibilities with more competitive price than, for example, in the United States, where a kilo of avocado would mm, be bought for 18 or 19 cents per dollar kilo, when in Holland I can sell it for uh, 118 or 119 euros. In Europe and Asia, the Colombian avocado does not have phytosanitary restrictions and is already recognized for its quality, although even the quantities sent to countries like the Netherlands are not enough for the growing demand, which is why the price for the consumer is high. Anton Filippo is part of LVP Logistics Business Partners, a Dutch company that works hand in hand with the government of that country. The providing support and logistics solutions to export our product consumed by the Dutch. Filippo is in Colombia looking for more has avocado super one with it do the shelving of the country of tulips. His opinion is that Colombia should make a greater effort to increase the supply of hash avocado in Europa. Conclusion of the improvement plan. We must change the country of destination to export our product. In this case, the hash avocado must be sent to the EU, Union Europea and Asia, where it does not have phytosanitary restrictions, and the price per kilo is better paid. Taking into account and finalizing this factor, we must change the destination of export in our business plan. Thank you.